Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope this message finds you in great health and happiness. I just want to encourage my family, friends and colleagues to please make sure you vote if you are already registered. If you're not, please make sure you register. The right to vote is a privilege that many have shed blood for. There are so many places in the world that people don't have that privilege and the right to vote. So we need to make sure that we are enjoying and exercising that right. So please do not let any crazy fake news, propaganda videos about Joe Biden to dilute your mindset and to distract you. Make sure you are voting for the right candidate. Do you want another 4 years of Trump? Oh my Lord, help me.